Good morning, guys. It's June 8th. It's week 2 of my mini series. If you haven't seen the first one or the intro, I'll just put it up here so you guys can click to that. And if you guys want to return to this video to watch to kind of follow along my progress and my journey, feel free to do that. And it's going to be like a couple weeks long. I don't even know how many weeks I have. I probably have like a month. So it was an indulgent weekend. I was not thrilled about what I looked like in a bikini. I come back this week and work even harder and try to do well on my diets. Because how I'm feeling this morning, I was not excited to do a body scan because I didn't know what I was going to look like, and I woke up feeling not really that well, like kind of nauseous actually. So I was doing 2 lifting sessions, and then the rest were just yoga sculpt with no intentions of doing any kind of cardio, since I get pretty sweaty from like lifting weights and actually from yoga sculpt. But I thought I needed to turn it up after this weekend from like seeing how I felt and like my mindset. I decided that I'm gonna do 2 days of full body still, and then I'm gonna do yoga sculpt still, but I'm gonna do less of that and do HIIT training, which I'm gonna write up for myself this morning after I do some yoga, because I feel like I just need to recenter my body this morning and not do anything too crazy. I'm not gonna do yoga sculpt. I'm just gonna realign my body, and I'm gonna try to like make food and eat salads and just kind of like portion my meals like I have been last week. I guess that's it for this. You guys will see like every day of this week my body scan, what I do for a workout, and then a recap of like what I'm eating so that you guys know where I'm at. And then of course I'll chit chat about how I'm feeling throughout the week. And yeah, week 2, let's get it. Bye guys.
Send your voice notes, baby, but you never answer, 'cause I busy with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you really love me, but those that were really far away. Ooh, y yo te amo, pero no respondes. I think that you don't care, and I still wonder.
Good morning. It is day 2 of week 2, and I just went on a 1.5 mile run. It was 2 miles total, but I didn't run the whole way. I'll try to do better and run like more consistently the whole way through, but I'm just like happy that I got out and did it. I haven't had breakfast yet. I did my body scan, so you'll see that, and I actually feel not so hot because I have my period today, so bloated, not well, nauseous, cramps, everything. And I'm just gonna try to feed my body and like stay positive, because yesterday was not a positive day as far as like my mental thinking about like what my body looked like to me. So I'm gonna try to just forget about it this week and not focus on, you know, the looks of it during this time for the next at least 4 or 5 days. So this week isn't a wash, even though I want to say it is. It's not. I'm gonna just go with it and then hope for a better outcome next week.
Voice notes, baby, but you never answer, 'cause I busy with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you.
Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday of week 2, and I just got back from a mile run. I feel good. My body feels like, I don't know, a lot better. I feel a lot better today than I have the past few days, and then the week before my period. So hopefully I can start to get to lifting again soon, and I'll keep you guys updated with what I eat today like usual. And yeah, I might do some yoga sculpt later, some regular yoga, just to keep it light and easy and still like get my body moving at some point today besides that measly mile run. So good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. No, it is Thursday, week 2. Just went for my run, just did my body scan, and I've been having an easier time doing my mile run, and then walking the mile back today. At least I've been jogging back like sporadically the last 2 days, but today I just felt like taking a nice quick like fast walk back home. And I don't know what I'm feeling for breakfast, but today I feel so much better than I have the last couple of days, and I am like day 3 or 4 into my period, so I feel like that's why the bloating feels like it has stopped, especially this morning. I feel a lot better in that sense, and so hopefully that carries on throughout the rest of the day, and then it'll be gone hopefully for the rest of the week. But this is the worst kind of bloating I've had in a really long time, so yeah, just gonna go ahead and get on with my day. But I feel good, feel a little bit tired, feel a little like weird, but my body so far feels great. And by the way, if you're wondering, I scratched my nose in my sleep, and so I have this chunk of skin missing out of my face, and it's now a scab, so hopefully that goes away in the next like 2 or 3 weeks. Awesome. Good morning, guys. It's the last day of the week. It's Friday. I'm going to recap my weekend next Monday, which will be in the next vlog. And I just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking like this morning. Pretty defined. Hey guys, sorry, I forgot to film an outro, so I'm just doing that really quick on my phone. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like. I hope you guys like the montage of like the breakfast, lunch, and dinners. If you guys want to see those recipes or you want to hear more about what I do to make them, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you guys, / maybe I can incorporate more of that into my videos. And yeah, I hope you guys have had a fun time watching this video and continue to watch the rest of the mini series vlog, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.